It is not far that we will be able to see XRP trading higher than ever. Yes, Ripple has gotten access to the Binance records, a massive win after several weeks. This is huge for the entire XRP community and the token. If you are interested in investing in XRP,
Yes, I am.
or you are an XRP holder, watch this video till the end to find out how to double the money. Also, make sure to enable all your notifications to our channel to keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP. Before we move on, please note this video is not financial advice. You are requested to conduct your own research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a major XRP update that you should be familiar with if you are someone looking to invest in XRP for a long time. We understand that there wasn't much access until now, and investors, even though they were interested in putting in their money in XRP, were not able to do so because the token was kept aloof from investing options. However, the time has come to a stop to this protocol. Binance, the largest crypto trading platform, has enabled XRP trading. This means we will undoubtedly see a considerable price increase of the token as a vast number of investment inflows are expected to flood the XRP community. It's been about 1 year since the fintech company and the regulatory body have been in legal wars. Last year in December, the SEC filed a suit against Ripple, claiming that the company had been trading XRP into unregistered securities for the past 8 years. SEC alleged the trading of XRP to be worth over $1.3 billion, and since XRP was trading as a security for the last 8 years, the company did not abide by the rules of the Securities Commission.
Oh my God!
Having been strangled in a legal battle, the fintech company suffered a significant loss, including XRP getting delisted to trade from powerful platforms, drastically affecting the token's price. In the start, XRP was hit severely and pushed away from major deals. However, as the suit proceeded, the matter turned completely in favor of the fintech company. That is when Ripple started to venture into other activities, ensuring that Ripple and XRP remain in the crypto spotlight and strategically playing all its pawns to lure more investors into the suit. Well, the suit eventually became the key to attention for XRP. Since the last 3 months, the lawsuit is nothing less than a comic legal battle web series that has included all amusing incidents, leaving us, the viewers, with only one phrase to use: what is going on? As the suit proceeded, it took 17,000 plus XRP holders as a third party to intervene, and now the CFTC is showcasing a full interest to be a part of this matter. Not to mention, the lawsuit has become an extensive burden for XRP's price action, as no new investors are able to invest in it. Secondly, because XRP is an ongoing legal battle, a colossal fear factor will carry forward with every small investment. Well, apart from this, things are going pretty much in favor of the fintech company, as Ripple has been winning most of all orders, and the SEC is clearly extending the matter to find that weak point to attack.
Francine, you are weak.
And one among the wins is Ripple getting access to Binance documents that could potentially prove that CEO Brad Garlinghouse was acting outside the SEC's jurisdiction. Garlinghouse filed a motion to obtain international discovery of Binance records. In the context of Ripple versus SEC, the regulatory body claimed that the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and Ripple's chairman, Chris Larsen, aided and abetted in the sale of unregistered securities to prove that the executives were acting in accordance with what was reasonable to them to make XRP a big thing in the market. And therefore, the Brads seek to obtain documents from Binance Holdings Limited, the cryptocurrency exchange operator. Ripple's lawyer said Mr. Garlinghouse seeks foreign discovery on the basis of his good faith belief that the listed entity possesses unique documents and information concerning this case, and specifically concerning the process by which transactions in XRP allegedly conducted by Mr. Garlinghouse on foreign digital asset trading platforms were conducted. This would come as a perfect reply to SEC, as the regulatory body alleges that Ripple CEO sold more than 357 million units of XPP to public investors in the market. And the SEC seeks disgorgement based on the sales. That includes those sales which are made on digital asset trading platform located outside the United States. Brad conveys the letter to ACCES Binance records to establish that, according to the law, the disgorgement applies only to domestic sales of securities, and the sales of XRP were overwhelmingly made on digital asset trading platforms outside the United States. Therefore, the documents taken from Binance will serve as proof that most of XRP sales formally took place in the United States, the only jurisdiction that should matter for the SEC. And all those sales which took place outside the country's boundaries should not come under the jurisdiction of the SEC. Well, since the judge has allowed Ripple's motion, this discovery of Binance records would certainly benefit Ripple. It would work as a significant factor in deciding SEC's jurisdiction over Ripple and XRP trading. Meanwhile, it appears that the U.S. Congress has decided to step in the matter. Representative Don Bayers has proposed legislation that would look forward to protecting the interest of the market stakeholders and at the same time formulate a regulatory framework for the digital asset so that the blockchain technology gets a legal representation and a platform to create innovative products. The proposed bill clearly defines what a digital asset is and what will be called security. According to attorney Thien Vu Hogan, this proposed bill would serve as the perfect divider in distinguishing whether XRP is a security or a digital asset. The bill calls for security to give the right to vote, dividends, interest, and other rights usually given to a shareholder. An asset will be called security if its platform is not fully built and processed via the sales money. Attorney Thien Vu Hogan says that if the bill is passed and becomes applicable in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit on the basis of the precedent case of Landgraf versus USI Film Products, XRP is unlikely to fall under the definition of a digital security asset and will not be subjected to the regulation by the SEC. Therefore, in this aspect, Ripple has the upper hand, as XRP does not have any hallmarks of traditional security, nor would an XRP holder receive an equity interest of voting rights. Now, it would be fun to watch both parties fight over deciding whether XRP is a security as per the legislation.
Avengers!
Now let's have a look at what the current SEC chair, Gary Gensler, has to say about cryptocurrencies. Gensler, in a speech at the Aspen Security Forum, noted that every ICO is a security. Generally, folks buying these tokens are anticipating profits, and there's a small group of entrepreneurs and technologists standing up and nurturing the projects. I believe we have a crypto market now where many tokens may be unregistered securities without required disclosure or market oversight. On this, Senator Elizabeth Warren addressed a letter to Gary asking about the SEC's authority to regulate cryptocurrency exchanges properly and determine if Congress needs to ensure that the SEC has the proper authority to close existing gaps in the regulation. It was coincidentally the same day that of proposing the legislation that Gary Gensler replied to Senator Warren. After this legislation was proposed, we see the CFTC be showing some interest in SEC's control over the crypto space. Attorney Thien Vu Hogan expresses her opinion that XRP must be regarded as a digital asset and thereby should fall under the scope of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. The same was also acknowledged and affirmed by attorney James K. Fallon. A former CFTC chair, Chris Giancarlo, said that CFTC is the only U.S. regulatory agency that has the experience in regulating the markets for Bitcoin and other cryptos, and not the SEC. If Biden administration is serious about sensible cryptocurrency regulation, it needs to nominate a CFTC chairman, added Giancarlo. Well, when everybody is putting out their opinions, why should the present CFTC commissioner be quiet? Brian Quintens tweeted on the growing influence of the SEC over the emergent asset class, saying, "Just so we are all clear here, the SEC has no authority over pure commodities or their trading venues, whether those commodities are wheat, gold, oil, or crypto assets." A visible political war has started between the two regulatory bodies, and now it is up to the U.S. Congress to implement the legislature and Judge Sarah Netburn to decide whether or not XRP is a security or digital asset. Well, the SEC versus Ripple litigation may benefit from the anticipated clarification, which is expected to have retroactive implications as per current market movements. We see U.S. lawmakers and the Biden administration speed crucial decisions to construct a stable regulatory framework for digital assets. Speaking about the effect of everything on the fintech company is nil, as the San Francisco-based payments technology company Ripple Labs continues to seek opportunities in new industries. Ripple wants to add non-fungible tokens to the XRP ledger in order to tap into the lucrative and rapidly increasing NFT industry and expand its on-demand liquidity payments business globally. Ripple recently collaborated with Japan and the Philippines to form a remittance corridor, cracking the deal to a return of approximately $1.5 billion. David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, said in a while, collectible are the most common NFT use case now, according to a recent Ripple drop video. He also spoke about some interesting the XRP ledger has several qualities that make it attractive to NFTs, including low prices and fast speed. Also, XRP is directly available on the ledger, eliminating the need for a user to switch to another ledger to make a payment. XRP is trading at $0.814 and is up by 2.5%. A rally of 19% was visible in their price action and is currently running towards overtaking the resistance barrier at $0.827. According to the long forecast, the token is likely to hit a close of $1.15 by the end of August and would continue trading in this range until the lawsuit takes a turn. If you are looking forward to investing in XRP, make sure to keep an eye on the lawsuit and press the bell notifications to stay updated on the same. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We will see you all in our next one. Till then, goodbye.